Okay, in this objective, we're looking at naming binary ionic compounds. So binary means there's two. We are going to do two things. We're going to write the empirical formula, and then we're going to write the name of the compound. Now, this is good practice because the empirical formula is our charged balance ion. Is it a 1-to-1 ratio, a 1-to-2, a 1-to-3, a 2-to-3? What is that ratio where we have a charge balance? So if we have 3 pluses, we got to have 3 minuses. Now this problem tells us what the cation is. Is it 3 plus? Is it 2 plus? Is it 1 minus? All these are with fluorine minuses. Now with naming, we are going to just write the name of the metal and then the name of the anion with an ion named. We do not need prefixes because it is about being charge balance, which we can always use the periodic table for. So in this first example, we have 3 pluses. And so we're going to need 3 minuses. And the way to do that is to use 3 Fs. So let's try that. So I'm going to write Fe and then F3. Now, this one has to have an extra step. Notice the first two are transition metals and they have different charges, even though they're both iron. So what we have to do is add a Roman numeral. So we'll do iron, and it likes it without a space, iron 3, because that's a +3, and then fluoride. Notice I don't need trifluoride. So this next one is going to look very similar, except for now we only need 2 fluorines. So we're going to again call it iron fluoride, but this time it's iron 2 fluoride. Now, if you're not sure what something is, CS. Well, what is CS? So if we go on here and we look for CS and we see it's a metal in the first column, it's cesium. So it's only going to have one option for an ion. That's +1. CSF. We're going to call it cesium fluoride. And now here we have barium, which is in the second column. And again, it's a +2, so we need 2 of those fluorines to charge balance. But we're not going to call it difluoride. We're going to call it barium fluoride. Let's check our spelling of.